guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very quick and easy or animated posts or infographics or photoshopped images on Canva or whatever you guys want to do it. So here is the easiest way possible to do it. Okay, so you basically go, first of all, you go to the text, right? Then you click on the image, the whole image, and as you can see right here, there's the animate, right? So once I click on it, I want to click on the, let's say, the image that I created. It's this very simple image that I created for, for the sake of the video. What I do here is I click on the shake zoom, then I click on the text. Always try to click on the text instead of the background objects. It's way better since you can choose many different options. Okay, so if I click on this, okay, and then I click on the, let's say, the pop right here, pop up option right here, and then the top 10 text, I can simply click on the let's say row, and then once you finish this, right, what I want you guys to do is if you click on the play right here, okay, you can see the image is moving at the beginning of the video and at the end of the video. Okay, so if I try to click on both, right, there's this option right here called animate. You click on both, okay, and then again you click on both right here. You also click on right both, right, and even the image, you also wanna click on both. So if I try to click on play, as you can see, the image will move at the beginning and it will move at the end of the video. So basically that was a really quick and brief explanation on how to use the animation in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more, and I'll see you in my next video.